Dear students, good morning to all. Hope you all are fine and safe staying at your home. And as we were doing the poem An Elementary School Classroom and a Slum, so half poem we have done and the half we will do today. Surely Shakespeare is weak and the map a bad example. What the writer is saying, what the Stephen Spender is saying, that Shakespeare is also weak. Why? Why Shakespeare is weak? Why the poet has written here Shakespeare is weak? Because Shakespeare picture is only just attempt to steal them. Nothing else. With ships and sons and love tempting them to steal. They are not having any, they don't have any type of work with these just pictures. What they just have to do, it just tempt them to steal. उन्हें चुराने के लिए मजबूर करेगा कि जरूर हमें इसे बाहर बेचकर कुछ ना कुछ पैसे मिलेंगे. Here is on their slag heap. These children wear skins peeped through by bonds and spectacles of steel. What they are wearing? Spectacles of steel. And what it is? Slag heap. बहुत बड़े ढेर के ऊपर. ये बच्चे कैसे हैं? ऐसे पतला सा बच्चा दिखाया ना मैंने, ऐसे हैं कि इनकी bonds दिखती हैं. With mended glass. Even the spectacles they are wearing also not of good quality, like bottle bits on stones. What it is like bottle bits on stone. जैसे कि स्टोन के ऊपर एक बॉटल की जो लग जाती है ना, जैसे उस टाइप से बोला हुआ है इसके अंदर कि इवन दे द ग्लास इज ऑल्सो नॉट ऑफ गुड क्वालिटी and even it is not visible from outside of them. All of their time and space are foggy slum. What is their time? Where they spend their time? In the foggy slum, only in these dirty and untidy slums only. So blot their maps with slums as big as doom. So what they mean by their slum? What they mean by their slum doesn't matter in front of them what is that, but they just have to spend their time in the slum. एंड ये जो मैप और ये सब धब्बा है, उन्हें कोई मतलब नहीं है. इतनी बड़ी डूम कुछ इनके लिए कोई मायना नहीं है इन सब चीज़ों का. फॉर लिव्स दैट स्लाइली टर्न इन देयर क्रैम्प्ड होल्स. कैसे कैसे टर्न लेते हैं ये लोग, जो सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनके क्रैम्प्ड होल समझते हो, वैसे छोटे होल्स जो होते हैं, जो जिसके गड्ढे टाइप से, वो उनके घरों के लिए यूज़ किया गया. फ्रॉम फॉग टू एंडलेस नाइट. ये देखो एक मैन दिख रहा है ना आपको, ये जस्ट वांना सी दिस इज जस्ट ऑफ रियल फॉग ना. व्हाट द राइटर वांट टू से हियर कि बिकॉज दे आर वेरी डर्टी, दैट इज नॉट एट ऑल, इवन द स्काई ब्राइटनेस इज ऑल्सो नॉट विजिबल. सो what they do just that is from fog to endless night, because their nights are always going on like this. That is never going to be end. And here is unless, governor, teacher, inspector, visitor. This map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs. कि कोई भी कुछ नहीं कर रहा इनके लिए, ना गवर्नर, ना टीचर, ना इंस्पेक्टर, ना विजिटर. कुछ करना चाहिए इन लोगों को. पोइट रिक्वेस्ट करता है उन सभी से कि उनका जो मैप है वो तो क्या है, सिर्फ विंडो है. और जो विंडो ऐसी है जो उनकी लाइफ बंद कर देती है कैटाकॉम्स की तरह. वॉट द राइटर वॉन्ट टू से हेयर कि गवर्नर, टीचर, इंस्पेक्टर, विजिटर्स को इन बच्चों के लिए कुछ करना चाहिए. ब्रेक ओ ब्रेक ओपन टिल दे ब्रेक द टाउन. तोड़ो इन जंजीरों को. एंड शो द चिल्ड्रन ग्रीन फील्ड्स. बच्चों को दिखाओ ये हरे भरे खेत. एंड मेक देयर वर्ल्ड रन एजोर ऑन गोल्ड सैंड्स एंड लेट देयर टंग्स. ओके, शो देम व्हाट इज देयर, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड. उन्हें उस सूरज की रोशनी दिखाओ, सुनहरी सुनहरी मिट्टी के नीचे लेकर जाओ. रन नेक्ड इनटू बुक्स, द वाइट एंड ग्रीन लीव्स ओपन. कैसी बुक्स होनी चाहिए, मतलब उनकी जिंदगी को कैसी किताब से दिखाओ जहां पर हरे भरे खेत हो. हिस्ट्री इज देयर्स हुज लैंग्वेज इज द सन. हिस्ट्री उन्हीं देशों की बनती है जिनकी लैंग्वेज क्या है. इसमें सन कहने का मतलब पता है क्या है, कि ब्राइट फ्यूचर. what the children are today for us, that is a bright future for us, for your future. That is all about this poem. Okay, can you, what do these images make you feel? I want the opinion from everyone. Please write something, tell something about these images. Okay, this is your homework. You just have to tell me and just send a click to me. Okay, what these images make you feel? क्या सोचने पर मजबूर करती हैं ये पिक्चर्स तुम्हें देखने के बाद? Okay, we are just going to revise the rhyme scheme of this poem. Do you know, if there is no rhyme scheme, if there is no rhyme scheme in the para, like I'm just showing you the page also, is there any rhyme scheme? There, window, leaves, catacombs? No. When there is no rhyme scheme in the poem, then it is called poem is written in the blank verse, or you can say the in the free verse. Okay, the poem is written in the free verse, that there is no rhyme scheme. Okay, and this poem is in free verse. Okay, remember it, learn it, that this poem is in the free verse. Here are about the figure of speech. As I told you earlier also, simile. Simile. What is the meaning of simile? Simile means when there is the word used as or like. Okay. Like the paper simming boy. Firstly, we will just do this one only. Can you locate the lines which use simile in the first stanza of the poem? That is, children's face like rootless weed. Like rootless weeds. Okay. Like. When there is like, then which figure of speech is there? Simile. Okay. Can you know about this? The paper simming boy. Which figure of speech has been used in this line? Just read the poem again and just try to. One I have sold for you and one you just have to do. Okay. And here is figure of speech. That is about metaphor. Boy with rat's eyes. अगर यहाँ like लिखा हुआ आता, boys with the eyes like the rat, then it is simile. But now direct is written, direct comparison is there, no word as or like is there. Okay, for comparison, direct comparison is there, then it is metaphor, boy with rat's eyes. Okay, and my dear students, this was all about this lecture. Listen the video carefully, do the question answer that I'll share with you today. Okay, after that you can just get the poem easily and just read it at once from your book also, write the word meanings also, or you can say the glossary of the poem. Thank you, have a nice day.